Let's see some code examples. You can download the code examples if you follow this link. Suppose we have a student class with a name property, and we have an activity class with a student property. Let's suppose that we cannot initialize a student in the constructor. So let's declare a student a nullable string type and assign a null value to it. In the onCreate method, we will actually initialize the student. The downside of this approach is that in order to access the student's property, we will have to use either not null assertion or a save call. This is very confusing and less readable. So let's see how late initialized can help us solve this issue. We have another activity class. It also has a student property, but this time we are using a late initialized keyword. Now we can declare a student as a not null string. And if we don't provide an initialization value in the constructor, the code will still compile. Please note that we have to declare our student as a mutable type. So in the onCreate method, we actually initialize the student instance. And now in the onResume method, we can access the name property directly without any save calls or not null assertions. Great! You see that now our code is much more readable. To sum up, late initialized keyword is very useful when working with frameworks such as Android or JUnit. This keyword is also useful when we use dependency injection in our project. So, whenever we are initializing our properties not in the constructor but in some other method, we should be using late initialized keyword.